Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm gonna go thrifting. I have about 2.5 hours and I wonder what I'm gonna find. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of spaceship number 1. This is the space pod, right? What is it down below? Is it space pod? Is it the cheddar pod? Is it the... You guys gotta help me out. I need names for my office and I need names for this secondary car. Anyway, I'm gonna go thrifting. I'm gonna see a Goodwill, another Goodwill, hopefully a Savers, and then another Goodwill. So 4 thrift stores. I wonder what I'm gonna find. Let's go to the first one. And I guess time warp there? What do we space warp? Do we warp drive? What do we do? We have to figure all these things out. We need some good terms that I can use on videos. It's a beautiful day here in Austin, Texas. Let's get to the first thrift store. All right, the first thrift store is this Goodwill boutique. I'll make my way in there. I wonder what I'm gonna find today. I'm pumped up. It's a little chilly in Austin, Texas. I got this brand new flannel from Costco. It's an Orvis flannel. It's $13. Guys, if you're close to a Costco and they have Orvis flannels like this for 13 bucks, rocking the Vans, check it out. Ooh. All right, let's get in here. All right. So my goal is to go really fast today. Some Chacos right here. Interesting, $7.99. This could be a buy. It's a pretty cool old suitcase here. They want $12.99 for it. It's pretty nice. Be really good for the booth. Tough call. Could also be a lot of room in the booth, you know, to store something like that. I don't know. I have to think about it. So I got those Chacos for around $8 out the door. They should sell for around 50 or more on eBay, about 50, 55, something like that. Then I got these USA Keens. These are the ones that have extra neoprene on the side. They're really cool. They're kind of like Keen Newports, except they're just built differently and better. Harder materials. So yeah, and it has a really spongy footbed as well. So this right here was 10 bucks out the door, and that should resell for around, my last one that sold for like 69 or something like that. So something around there is what I'm looking for. Let's go to the next thrift store and see what we find. So far, so good. Okay, the next thrift store is behind this giant white truck. It's a Schwindley Tour, probably 60 bucks. See how much this Tour is here. Oh, I was right, about 60 bucks. I mean, it's in nice condition, but definitely just a basic level road bike, nothing crazy. Steel frame, it's not a terrible price though. I might get into it. I mean, it's already inflated and everything. Brakes look pretty decent. I might get into it. Click. Yes. I'm very in tune with my thrifting kind of chi, and I can feel something good in this store. Feel it. Oh, these are cool. There, honey. Snowboard pants. I see the leg zips right here, and I see the zips for the boots down there. Now I like going to those racks first because they're being put out right now. It's the newest stuff, and that's where you can find some of the best deals. So I always try to go to things like that or the bins on the floor first. See if there's any bags to bucks going on. I don't see any, but so these pants are probably the Scholler powder snow ski pants right here, and they're looking to be around 80 bucks. Yeah. Not too bad. This would be the time to get into them. When I get home, I'll show you a bag I popped on like a week ago when I came here like at 8:30 at night. I found a pretty cool bag. I'll show you when I get home. Now, the interesting thing about what I have bought today already is that, and it kind of coincides with something that I launched yesterday, that is my new guide, Outdoor Items to Bucks. So you should go check it out. It teaches you how to sell used items on you know, open markets like eBay, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, places like that. It's a very comprehensive guide, and it's over 200 slides. There are over 70 items that I talk about in that guide. Pretty cool. But more importantly, these items were really easy to spot. I mean, didn't have to go through crazy amounts of clothing or any kind of you know, electronics, or, you know, through all the DVDs to find like a secret video game or anything like that. Like, these things just stand out in 2 seconds. And so you can kind of see what's going on with those pants. For example, I'm looking for around the $80 mark, and I paid $15 out the door. So when everything's all said and done, I should be walking with around $45, $50 pure profit. So something around there is what I'm looking for. But yeah, the guide is out, and it is on a crazy deal right now until Friday. So time's ending soon. Go pick it up down below. Make sure to put it as the very first link down below. Go grab a copy. You won't be sorry. There's a lot in that guide to learn, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Oh man, the checkered Vans just brought me to this Savers. Use the power of the checkers. Teleported me here. All right. I got some coupons for this place, so I'm really pumped to see if I can find some. I got 2 or 3 20% off coupons. Let's see what we find. What? Whoa. No poltergeist action there. Wow. Man, look at the interior of these pants. That's cool. Super crazy looking. Oh, they got pleats. What? They got pleats. They got pleats. Okay, I don't see anything yet, but I'm about to be at the shoe section, so maybe there's something there. I don't see any shoes, honestly. I'm looking hard, don't see anything. Alright, here's the thing. I didn't find anything in there, but here's the thing. I also only spent like 5 minutes in. So, one more Goodwill. Will I find something? I think I will. I mean, it's a pretty big one. You want to see it? You want to see the big Goodwill? Well, let's take the Space Pod down there. Or the freaking small Casper Ghost. I don't know. We gotta name this tiny white car. We have to name... Successfully paired. We have to name this tiny white car. We have to do it. There's my big Goodwill. I'll share it with you. You can have some of it. It is pretty big. We can all have some of this Goodwill. Look how big this Goodwill is. See, we can all have a piece of this, guys. Told you. I'm sharing. Sharing is caring. And caring kind of sounds like Keurig. And Keurig is a coffee maker. I see some Hokas already. I'm looking at the boots at the top wall. I'm kind of scanning all that. I see these Hokas right here. I think these are Hokas. Yep, pretty trashed. So no to those. I'm looking all the way down there at all the athletic shoes. Don't see anything. And yeah, let's see what the men's side looks like. Oh man, dust pants. Dust pants. A lot of those. I see some BOA snowboard boots. This is a good sign. See those? BOA. Alright. DC BOA snowboard boots. Ooh, with some sort of a pump thing on there. These are nice. 30 bucks. Damn. So those boots were 30 bucks. They were like 10 bucks or totally bought them. But 30 bucks kind of taps into my potential like $50 profit that I'm looking for. So it's hard to walk away from something like that because they're in actually really good condition. They are women's Judge BOA boots. The spread on eBay goes between like 70-ish all the way up to like 120. I need to get that thing for 10 bucks, not 30. But oh well, it is what it is. You also have to keep in mind that they're snowboard boots, so they're not like the smallest thing possible. You do have to get a little bit larger of a box. Shipping's probably gonna be around 15 bucks before, you know, potentially pulling the trigger on a $30 pair of boots. So you gotta look at the market and all that kind of stuff, market research and box, projected box size, projected shipping costs. It's always a better hustle. If you're thinking too much about it, there's always a better hustle. In the bag section, checking it out. Could be anything back here, you just never know. Okay, did find a cool bag in the bag section. This is a Horween, kind of like an Eddie Bauer-ish sponsored brand. It's a Horween. I think it's a backpack alongside this brand called Maker, M-A-K-R. Anyways, this bag is 10 bucks. It's a little bit more on the long tail side. This is probably a $100 sale. Really nice. It's a rucksack made by Horween. Really nice. Like, look how thick that leather strap is. That's good. So, yeah, this is a nice buy for 10 bucks. So yeah, nice pickups today. I'm pretty happy about going out. I'm definitely gonna go out tomorrow. I'm actually pumped up about going out tomorrow, but What do you guys think down below? Put a comment. I would love to read it. But let's get home. I want to show you that bag real quick. Then maybe I'll close out the video after that. We'll see. Back at the Hustler Casa. Here's the bag. It's a Goki's bag. This bag should sell for around 50 bucks. Nice little, I don't know if it's like a game bag or a hunting bag, but it's definitely in that kind of genre. You can kind of see here that even the person that's, you know, on the front, the caricature, I guess, has a gun and a little dog that's about to take whatever, you know, probably some foul, I would think. But what's up, buddy? What's up? That's not you in the picture, is it? But yeah, this bag was like $5 out the door. Should fetch 50. It's nice. It's a vintage one too, which is even better. All right, so in one of the previous videos where I did a review, I kind of tested out this one thing. You guys enjoyed it a lot. I got a lot of comments about it. So if we like reviews after the haul, dang, then let me know. Whoa! All right, so here is that bag that I popped on today. That was 10 bucks. And here's the tag right there. We got a Horween. You can kind of see it, maybe you can't. Maker carry goods. It's a Horween bag. $100 is what I'm gonna be looking for right here. So a $10 bag found today. I also have those really cool Keen, I mean, very good condition, men's Keen, American built, super reinforced, almost like Newport sandals. And the bottom looks really good. So these should fetch about 69, I would think, something like that. And they were 10 bucks out the door. We also got a pair of Chacos. There's one, hold on, let me get the other one out here. Got these Chacos right here. These should sell around 50 to 55. These are men's 9. The bottom looks pretty good, you know? So for $8 out the door, about 55 bucks is what I'm gonna try to get for those right there. Now also, it's come to my attention that these that I bought earlier, the Athleta ones, this actual cusp right here, and I didn't look at this part. Look, even the Bonafide Hustler makes mistakes. I was just so pumped up on these, and I wanted to go through the thrift store pretty fast, and that is my bad. But yeah, so we don't have the receiving clasp on this side right here. So that's a no-go. I'm gonna return them and get my money back. It's not a huge deal. Or I'll get a store credit back that I can use within a week. Something like that. I don't usually ever return things to Goodwill that much, so I don't know what the rules are. But yeah, you know, sometimes the hotshot puts you in a hurry, and sometimes the hurry gets to the Bonafide Hustler every now and then. Nevertheless, all my original information on these pants still stands. Like if that thing was not the case, then I would still, you know, be aiming for that $80 to $100 mark on resale. But yeah, I'll be bringing them back. It's not a huge deal. I just wanted to be fair and, you know, honest with you guys. But I hope you enjoyed the recap, and I hope to make another video hopefully tomorrow. But yeah, but thanks for the support. Thanks for all the comments down below. Don't forget to pick up the guide. It'll be the first link. See ya. Bye.